Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this DTI tutorial, we are going to recreate the iconic Statue of Liberty. And guess what? You don't need VIP to serve the symbol of freedom and fashions. So this is the Statue of Liberty that I created, and let me show you how you can recreate this one. So first, for the look, you're going to use this hex code in here. So you can use this one because you will need to use this color on all the outfits, including the hairs. And let's just get started here. So here I'm going to put on this hair with the same color, and also this bangs. And for the outfit, first I'm going to use a dress from the code items, this long dress in here, and you can just use the same color and then combine it with this skirt in here, the one in the left corner, bottom left corner. Use the same color, and then you're going to put on this hijabi set and use the same color. And then for the torch, I'm going to use this ice cream to make it look like a torch. So for the first color, you can use orange to make it look like gold. Okay, this orange color in here, and the last color, just use the same green color. And lastly, I'm going to just put on this necklace in here and change the color into green, and also this rose thorn hat or crown, and change all the color with the same green color. And after that, you are done. And this is the final look for Statue of Liberty. So whether it's for the 4th of July, a history theme round, or just because you want to serve statue realness, this outfit will have you glowing like a torch in the night. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more creative non-VIP outfit hacks in DTI. Bye!